Students, today we are going to see van der Waals reduced equation of state, or it is also known as law of corresponding state, or it may be asked in examination, show that pi plus 3 upon phi square into 3 phi minus 1 is equals to 8 theta. Now here pi is reduced pressure, phi is reduced volume, and theta is reduced temperature. Van der Waals shows that if pressure, temperature and volume are expressed in terms of reduced pressure, reduced temperature and reduced volume, then he come to know new generalization. That generalization is called as law of corresponding state, or it is also known as reduced equation of state. Getting it? Now let P upon Pc is equals to pi, V upon Vc is equals to phi, and T upon Tc is equals to theta. Here pi, phi, theta are reduced pressure, reduced volume and reduced temperature. Pc is reduced, Pc is critical volume, Vc is critical volume, Pc is critical pressure and Tc is critical temperature. Now from this, what is the value of P? P equals to pi Pc, V equals to phi Vc and T equals to theta Tc. But you know van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas is, what is van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas? For 1 mole of gas, what is it? P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Here put P, value of P, V, T. Here is also value of V. From this value of P, V, T in equation, van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas. What happens? Putting P equals to pi Pc, V equals to phi Vc, theta T equals to theta Tc in equation 1. Let it be equation 1. Now this equation becomes pi Pc plus A upon, what is the value of V? Phi Vc, means phi square into Vc square, okay, into bracket V again phi Vc minus B is equals to R. What is the value of T? Theta Tc, R theta Tc. But you know van der Waals constant and critical constant are related by 3 equations. Which are these 3 equations? We studied the relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant. Now from this Pc equals to, what is the value? What is the relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant? Pc equals to 8A upon 27B square. Then Vc equals to thrice B and Tc is equals to, what is the value of Tc? Now this Tc, that is relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant is, it will be 8A upon 27 RB. Here what is the value of Pc? Pc equals to A upon 27B square, VC equals to thrice B, TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB. Now putting these values, which values? PC equals to A upon 27B square, VC equals to thrice B, TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB, putting these values of PC, VC, TC in equation 2. Let it be equation 2. Now equation 2 implies pi, then what is the value of PC? A upon 27B square. Okay. Now plus A upon 5 square. What is the value of VC? Thrice B. That's why VC square 9B square. Okay. This is first bracket. Now phi. What is the value of VC? Thrice B. Phi into thrice B. B remains as it is. Into R theta. What is the value of TC? 8A upon 27 RB. Now from this equation we may take some values constant. Now in the first bracket here, if we take A upon 27B square as a common, then what happens? A upon 27B square. Here it remains, only remaining term is there, pi, plus thrice upon 27B square means thrice upon 5 square. Okay, because here there is 9. Okay, 3 by 9. Okay, that's why 27. That's why 3 upon 5 square. Now from this bracket, simple small b is a common. B into thrice phi minus 1 is equals to R theta 8A upon 27 RB. Now again in this equation, in the RHS side, this is capital R gas constant, this cancel with this R. Okay. Then this A cancel with this A. Then see here B square. Okay. Here 1B cancel with this B. Here 1B is remain there, it will be cancelled with this B. Okay. Then 27. This 27 cancel with this 27. That's why remaining terms pi plus 3 upon 5 square into thrice phi minus 1 is equals to only 8 and theta is there. That's why 8 theta. Here this equation is derived. Here pi is critical pressure, phi is critical volume and theta is critical temperature. This statement is van der Waals reduced equation of state. What is it? Van der Waals reduced equation of state. See friends, van der Waals equation is entirely different from van der Waals reduced equation. You know van der Waals equation for 1 mole is P plus A upon V square into bracket V minus B is equals to RT. That is van der Waals equation for 1 mole. It is van der Waals reduced equation of state. This is important. Or sometimes it is also known as law of corresponding state. Or sometimes it may be asked in examination, if pi, phi and theta are reduced pressure, reduced volume and reduced temperature, then show that pi plus 3 upon 5 square into bracket 3 phi minus 1 is equals to 8 theta. Try to understand. van der Waals reduced equation is the same as that of law of corresponding state. Now what is the statement of law of corresponding state? Because it has 1 mark, statement has 1 mark. State and explain means statement 1 mark, explanation for this derivation 3 marks, means total 4 marks is there. Now for 4 marks you must know topic wise statement. If we have 2 or more substances and these substances have same value of reduced pressure and reduced temperature, then according to law of corresponding state they must have same value of reduced volume. Means statement is that if 2 or more substances have same values of reduced pressure and reduced temperature, then their values of reduced volume are same. Means mathematically, if we have 2 substances, first substance as capital A and another substance as, let it be a capital B. If first substance has a reduced pressure pi A, second has reduced pressure pi B, means reduced pressure of both A and B are same. Also reduced temperature also same. Okay, because theta, what is theta? Theta is reduced temperature. Means if 2 different substances have same reduced pressure and same reduced temperature, then according to law of corresponding state they must have same values of reduced volume. And this is the statement, mathematical statement. Okay, means law of corresponding state shows that or state that if 2 or more substances have same values of reduced pressure and reduced temperature, then they have same values of reduced volume. इस तरह से ये टॉपिक पे आपको शो दैट डिराइव रिड्यूस इक्वेशन और स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन लॉ ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग स्टेट, ऐसा क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है. Only you have to learn 2 main point. First, which is the first point, van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas. What is van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas? P plus A upon V square into bracket thrice B, into bracket thrice V thrice B minus B minus V. What is van der Waals equation? Now van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas is P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equals to RT. Okay, P plus A upon V square into V minus B equals to RT. And second point, you must know the relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant. Which is the first relation? PC equals to A upon 27 B square. What is the second relation? V equals to thrice B. What is the second relation? TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB. Okay, VC equals to thrice B, PC equals to A upon 27 B square, and TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB. If these 2 factors are known to you, then quite easy. Take van der Waals equation for 1 mole of gas, then kept common A upon 27 B square after putting values of PC, VC, TC. Then new generalization is there. It is the law of corresponding state. What is the statement? If 2 or more substances have same values of critical pressure and critical temperature, then they have the same value of critical volume. Okay, till then here the first bit of this unit is now complete, that is gaseous state. In the next period we are going to start second bit, that is second part of this same unit, that is phase rule. Okay. बाय।